So good day everyone. Today we're going to tackle about molecules of life and the four major elements that consist it. So the human body is made up of molecules that are built mainly from four elements called Chan. So think of our body as a big Lego masterpiece. Kung babalatan natin siya at hihimayin, doon mo makikita ang mga maliliit na pira-piraso at malalaman mo ang 96% ng katawan natin ay gawa sa apat na particular na Lego bricks. At yun yung ating four elements na tinatawag nating Chan. So Chan stands for carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Together, these four elements make about 96% of the human body. They form the major biological molecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids or fats, and nucleic acids. So now we'll be heading at the importance and functions of these four elements. First we have is carbon, and its importance is it is the main building block of life. As for its function, it forms carbohydrates, proteins, fats, DNA, and RNA, and provides the backbone of all organic molecules. In simple words, isipin mo ang carbon, siya yung semento at bakal na poste ng isang bahay. Kung walang poste, guguho ang mga structure at wala siyang kakapitan. So now we'll be heading at hydrogen. Its importance is it is present in water and organic compounds. Its function is maintains body fluids, helps produce energy, and regulates acid-base balance. So isipin mo si hydrogen bilang tubero at elektrisyan ng bahay. Siya ang may hawak ng baha ng tubig at daloy ng kuryente para laging may power at hindi matuyo ang system. So now we'll be heading at oxygen. Its importance is it is essential for respiration, and its function is it needed for cellular respiration to release energy from food, found in water, and most body molecules. So isipin mo si oxygen as singaw. Kung walang hangin, mamamatay ang apoy sa kalan. Ganon din sa katawan natin, kung walang oxygen, hindi madadigest ng katawan natin ang pagkain para maging mas malakas tayo. So now we'll be heading at nitrogen. So its importance it is essential for growth and repair. Its function is it forms amino acids, DNA, RNA, and enzymes necessary for tissue, growth, and repair. So think of nitrogen as construction workers at semento. Kapag nasisirang dingding o muscle natin, si nitrogen ang nagroronda para mag-rebuild at mag-patch up ng mga nasira. So this is the four major classes of biomolecules. These are their structures. The one that I discussed last week, siya yung nabibuild doon sa four major elements ng molecules. And that's all. I hope you learn a lot from me, and thank you for listening.